Good morning, everybody. This is Bill Wilkins at the Oak Creek Home Center. I appreciate you joining me today for another preview of one of the homes that are produced at the Oak Creek Fort Worth factory here in Texas. This model is the Haven Model 6368. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a bonus room that you can use as a 4th bedroom. On this home, some of the features that come with the house are the window awnings that are there, the 50-year warranty exterior siding, and the double dormer over the front door. That top dormer is actually recessed, so you've got a really easy way of attaching a front porch if you want to. Just real quick, one of the things when you're out shopping for a home, one of the things that I recommend for customers to do is to count the number of axles that are underneath the house. That's a real indicator of how much weight is in the home, and the weight is always determined by the amount of the materials. So in this home, we've got a total of 7 axles per side on the home. So there's 14 axles underneath this home. Gives you a real good indication that there's a lot of materials in the home. This is a really heavy built home from Oak Creek out of Fort Worth. We've got the 6-inch window trims, the window awnings on it, Texas Star front door. You get to choose all of your decor and color combinations and even the exterior finishes. A steel roof is available if you want to do that. This home features also an 8-foot covered porch that's attached to the end of the home. The roof inside the porch is all finished. And you can choose your access point for where the porch comes up and goes onto the home. We're actually going to walk into the dining area. I don't have steps up to the front door, so we'll walk into the dining area. And I want you to see how nice this home opens up. Just a really, really lovely presentation in this home. You've got some really keen features in it. The huge big island here at the dining area. I'm going to close this door and get rid of some of the traffic. Man, what a difference that makes. We're going to start back here in the laundry room. One of the features in this home is a really nice oversized laundry room. It gives you a bunch of counter space back here. It's equipped with the deep sink, utility deep sink and gooseneck faucet. Drawer over door, cabinets go all the way up. Sorry for the sun kind of playing havoc with my picture here. But you've got cabinets above the washer and dryer area, which is over here to the right. And then overhead cabinets all the way around this laundry room. The cornice boxes are standard. And then you've got a really nice back door with a glass pane in it. There is a little mini blind inside of that glass door that you can cast if you want. You've got optional deep freeze space right here for a deep freezer. And then right next to that is a cubby locker area for boots, shoes, coats, backpacks, kids' things that they bring in. But it's a really, really nice. Now, something in here too that we've started doing is we've gone to the individually laid vinyl plank flooring, and that will go through the entire home. And that's given us the ability to do a seamless marriage line. So at the marriage line, you don't have that transition strip that's usually an indicator of factory-built home. This has got a huge, huge island in it. This island will easily accommodate 4, 5, maybe even 6 people. It's got a gorgeous kitchen with a load of storage area. Now, we've done the ceramic tile backsplash that goes all the way up behind the range with the stainless steel vent-a-hood. You get to choose your cabinet style in here. The crown moldings and baseboards are all wood. This home features a double 6-door tower pantry on the end, and to the left of the kitchen, as I'm facing it, is the installation point for the big commercial refrigerator freezer. It'll be a full-size refrigerator on one side and a full-size freezer on the other side, all stainless steel. Here at the sink, this is, I'm going to walk around here and kind of show you this sink. It's really a cool sink with the gooseneck faucet. That's a spring faucet. So when you take it out, it pops out, and you've got the sprayer and everything. But this sink is really cool. It's a big dual well sink that's got the sliding cutting board. It's got the veggie tray that's a rinse tray. And then it's got the roll-out grate on top, so you can use to rinse as well. In the cabinets are done with wood stiles and wood cabinet doors. So they're a good solid cabinet. They've got the European style hinges. They're all finished all the way through the entire cabinet. These are GE appliances that are in here. The GE appliances have been real popular. You can do a smooth top, coil top, or a gas range if you wish. I'm going to give you just a real quick shot too of this living room. Really nice sized living room. We've added the fireplace. This is a wood burning fireplace with the Austin stone front. The bookcases on the side with TV jacks and TV cables over the top. So it gives you a really cool presentation here in the living room. You'll see there the lack of the transition strip that normally goes across the living room. I'm standing now at the front door, and this is the view that you've got when you enter the home. Really, really pretty open. I love the beam ceilings in the kitchen area. It's got a tray ceiling in the living room. A lot of people will add an accent color there. And then we'll come back into the master bedroom. I like these windows. You've got these big, tall windows that go full length down the front side of the home. So you've got a wonderful view out the front of the home. And then, of course, at the end of the bar there, you can see the double atrium door that we go out onto that 8-foot covered porch. Here in the master bedroom, they've also done the tray ceiling. So you've got some extra definition and feature in the master bedroom. It's a large master bedroom, about a 15.5 by 15 with the dual windows. These are dual thermal pane windows. The 2-inch mini blinds are included. And then it has a barn door entry into the master bathroom. Back here in the master bathroom, they've put in the big Diana tub that has the pull-out handheld wand at the side. Really, really nice. Big feature in this home is this big oversized shower. This is a tile shower, goes all the way to the ceiling, down to this big shower pan. Open concept, glass panes, and this shower head has actually 5 different shower ports in it, along with the handheld wand at the side. Now you also have a large double vanity with dual sinks, drawer bank, and an extra storage cabinet for linens at the side. When you come around, you'll have the elongated commodes, more storage over the top of the commode, and then it opens up into this big closet. In the closets, we use wood shelves, wood rods. Got the shoe racks in both corners, shoes and sweaters or whatever you want to use it for storage. A lot of folks are taking in this closet and doing a double rack here on this wall, keeping the middle rack open for long hanging apparel, another shoe rack, and then another closet rod. Now they've added, you'll see up here at the top, they've added that transom window. I like how they put the crown moldings and the baseboards even into the closets. So your home has a really nice custom finish and feel to it. This home is full tape and texture. It's all 1/2-inch sheetrock through the entire house. All 2x4 wall construction. There are no 2x3s. Overhead vents, recessed LED can lights are featured through the home to increase the energy efficiency. If you remember when we started, this is the little bonus room that I was telling you about. You can do away with the barn door slider here and make this a solid wall with a hallway entry. If you use it as an optional bonus room, they put the dual barn door entries into it. Really nice sized room, big enough for exercise room, office. We've put a lounge chair in here. When you do it as the bonus room, you get this another set of the cubby lockers here. You can have a closet built in there if you wish. Coming back out into the hallway where it transitions back to the kids' rooms or guest bedrooms, there's a built-in office center or desk center here with the shelves overhead to the desk area, finished with the real wood shiplap finish in behind. The outlet that's over here already has the USB ports in it for a charging station. And this is one of the biggest guest bathrooms. I just love it. It's got the dual vanities in it. You also have the big linen storage area here to the left. And then it comes down to a big 60-inch fiberglass tub shower installation. That can be optioned out to make it a complete tile. And then you've got this ginormous linen closet back here that goes, I'm trying to get a good shot for you, goes all the way across this wall, probably about 6 to 7 feet of storage area with all the shelves built in. And again, it's covered by this sliding door, by the barn door. So you've got a really cool theme that runs through the home. Good sized kids' rooms. Here in this room, we stored some of the extra close-up material, paint and such. But they're good sized rooms with nice walk-in closets. And again, you've got the crown moldings and the baseboards that go through the closets. The doors that are in here are the Corvado doors with the grooved front and sculptured front. So you've got a really nice looking feature there. Both bedrooms are the same size. Back here in the back, they're about let's say about 11.5 by 15, really good sized bedrooms. Again, we've optioned the carpet out. You can get this home with carpet in the bedrooms if you wish. We've just gone to a complete vinyl plank floor all the way through the house. This home is available for a tour if you wish at the Oak Creek Home Center in Abilene, Texas. We are located at 1210 North Plaque. If you'd like some additional information on this home, request information on the Haven, the model 6368, comes out of my Fort Worth factory. There's that Texas Star door I was telling you about. But sure would be happy to visit with you. Happy to entertain any questions, comments. Appreciate your input. Thanks so much for taking a look. And this is the Haven, model 6368 from the Oak Creek Home Center in Abilene, Texas. If you'd like to contact me, you can reach me at 325-480-2014 or email billw@oakcreekhomes.com.